We're live. It's Maui H2O down at Hookipa. Okay, what's going on right now is we got some really huge waves out there. Can't ride our jet ski right now because of regulations, law. I was hoping to come out here and get some video, some surfers today. As you can see, the waves are really mean. But unfortunately, we got red flags over there. That means they don't allow the surfers out. So hopefully they let them out pretty soon. We can go down there and get some nice video of them. Look at the water though. That is just flat out awesome, those waves, man. Those are some mean waves. That just is, how do you not love Maui? And it's like, you're able to see this. Wow, some big rollers coming over there. Those things are huge. Get some surfers out there on those waves, man. That's the thing is, if this were on Oahu, they'd be out there. They would not. This isn't high for Oahu. They'd be out there. I'm just amazed that they got the red flags out up there. I mean, these are big waves, but I mean, the surfers want to be out there and stuff like this.
Is it pretty rough out there as far as like the coral and stuff?
I'm not really all that sure. I've not really surfed in this area. I mean, I like driving jet ski, so I tow people out there.
Okay.
I do the transport, take video and that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's some mean rollers over there. Those things are huge. Look at the size of those waves. That is just huge. That is huge. Get the surfers out there. Come on, man. I want to see the surfers. Those are huge. Look at the size of those waves, man. That is just absolutely huge. Yeah, you have surfers down there waiting to go. They want to get out there. Yeah, it's definitely far on. I've never seen it this big all my years coming to Hookipa. I've never seen it to where they actually didn't allow the surfers out there. Because, I mean, don't allow the surfers out because the waves are too big. Eh? Kind of an oxymoron if you ask me. I'm going to try and get a little closer view of this. So yeah, we got to get creative with our videos right now because, you know, we can't really ride the ski right now because only on the North Shore, which we technically could ride it here. Although riding it in this stuff would be a little bit insane, man. Even for Maui H2O. I mean, Maui H2O is all about, you know, going after it. But man, that's a little bit nuts even for us, man. Yeah. Wait, I want to get down there and see some of the... Okay, I'll be very careful here not to slip and fall, because this can be very slippery here, this rocks. Look at that. Now we're right down here, right by the waves. Look at that, right down here on the rocks. Maui H2O, we're still on. Look at that, what a close-up view we got of these huge waves. This is just unbelievable, these waves. I have never, ever in my life, 12 years I've lived in Maui, never have I been to Hookipa where the waves were so big that they didn't allow the surfers out there. That's crazy to me, man. That's crazy to me, man. It's the surfers. This is a place where people surf. Get them out there with the big waves. Well, you know, I'm going to go over there and get a good look at the waves as well, man. This is just absolutely unbelievable, the size of these waves. This is just absolutely huge. This is what you call a high surf advisory, man. It's Maui H2O, baby. It's where we're all about water sports, baby. You know, jet ski water sports, but we look at all kinds of water sports as well. Because that's just the way we roll at Maui H2O, man. Oh, wow. Yeah, man, I mean, I have to tell you the truth, it'd be so fun to jump one of those waves with my jet ski, man. I know my roommate would think I'm nuts for trying that, but you know what? I say you're nuts for not trying it. That's what I say. One of these days, man, I'm going to get out here, I would jump the waves this size with my jet ski. Oh, wow. Some more over here. Oh wow, look at these waves. They're really breaking good up and against those rocks. Whew. This is Maui, baby. This is Maui in late January. This is just flat out amazing. Here I am over here in my reef shoes. See, I love these reef shoes because, man, it gives you great traction. Although my traction, these ones just about had it. But still, even though the traction is what had it, it's still so much easier to maneuver in these reef shoes than it is in any kind of like tennis shoes or flip-flops. And wow, look at the size of that wave. That is just unbelievable. Unbelievable, man, the size of these waves. Yeah. God, it's so disappointing not to see surfers out there in this weather, but you know, you gotta keep people safe. Safety is number one. You know, that's, oh my God, I never seen a wave up close and personal like this, man. This is awesome, man. That is, whoo! Look at that wave. That is just beautiful. All kinds of tourists over here, and that's cool, but I'm here to get the Maui H2O, baby. That, look at this. Alright. Now look at that. Now that is what you call Maui H2O right there. That is some Maui H2O right there. Look at that. That is some huge waves. God, how fun it would be to be out there in that stuff, man. God, look at that. You can break. Oh, wow. Look at that wave there. You can brake on that. Waves are absolutely. Oh wow! Oh, that one is so big. Wow. That waves. Wow, those are some big waves. Woo! Tell you what, I've lived here for 12 years. I've never seen it like this. Never. I've never come out here and the waves have been so big that they don't let the surfers out. Which.
That's what it is today. They aren't letting them out.
Yeah, that's what the red flags mean. It means red flags mean they can't go out. Yeah. Well, they can't. I mean, yeah, it's kind of an oxymoron that you can't let surfers out for,
The big waves.
yeah.
How big are they?
Oh, they're huge. They're like 25 to 30 feet right now.
Unbelievable when they're out there at full height.
Well, down the road at Jaws, but you got to really kind of live here to know how to get there. Now, I guarantee you they'll be out. But what they do is they do like tow-in surfing, because there's no way people can paddle out in waves like this. So what they do is they have like a jet ski driver take them out, and it's kind of like water skiing. It's like tow-in surfing, and the jet ski driver just gets them to the wave, then they let go of the rope, and then they surf it. It's you know, I have to try that sometime, you know, but it's like, I mean, driving somebody out there anyway. But,
Some big stuff.
yeah.
This
Yeah.
is what used to smash the sailing ships when they broke their masts and got drawn in.
That's why a lot of people are starting to use jet skis, is because they're maneuverable and they're built to take it. You know, that's why. Believe it or not, those things are.
Well, here comes the good.
Oh yeah, I've never seen it like this ever. This is gonna make for some. I don't know, man. I hope this video comes out good. This is gonna make for some nice YouTube stuff, man. Yeah. Yeah. This is just absolutely amazing, the waves here, man. I'm gonna head back. Got some of that. Now that's Maui H2O right there. That is Maui H2O. Man, gosh, it's so disappointing. I want to get those surfers out there, man. Wow, those are so mean. Whoa, that was bad right there. Look at this one here. This one's huge. Yeah, that's Maui H2O. We're signing off. Hope you enjoyed our video. Okay, bye.